Hi everyone, welcome to this series by reNNovate Interiors, your one-stop shop home interiors. So today we are covering entrances. Let's dive right in. We create not just entrance doors, but the entire entrance ambience, textured paints, mirrors, chairs, flooring, name it. So we do PU doors too, customized grills, and check out the amazing 3D texture board and brick finish right next to it. Texture paints, single door, double door, and shoe racks to match. So we do laser cut each grill and coupled with some lovely brass inlays. Check this out. Themed entrances, texture paints, Versace tiles, beige theme, and lights. So why do entrances just have to be about the doors? Check out these lovely lights, false ceiling, brass inlays on the walls, textured tiles and texture paints, backlit ornaments. And you know what? These days laminates come in lovely marbles and granites, and you can match a shoe rack right outside with it. Wood always looks lovely coupled with these copper charcoal on the right side and the granite with lovely brass inlays. Always wood looks lovely, classic, be it silver, be it black grills, and of course we customize. And why just stop there? We can put in lovely lighting, we can put in paneling, we can do mirrors, we can do rafters, we can do chandeliers. And the unit below the Balaji, that's a shoe rack. So couple it up with good backlit ceilings, maybe textured walls. We do many homes, guys, with lots of different finishes and some wonderful ideas and 3Ds. Check out our lovely Google reviews. Our customers leave some very detailed reviews. We've done more than 200 projects across Mumbai. Please like us, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and do check out our website reNNovate. Call us, and we're waiting for your love.